Hey everyone, just a quick video today. For me, it's the first day back to work. I'm a teacher, so for my district, it's the first day back for the kids. And I talked to a lot of kids this morning at the bus stops. I walk my kid to school, so we're saying hi to people. And of course, I'm asking, are you excited? Are you excited? And most of the kids are just like, no, they don't really want to go to school. And it's kind of sad to me, but I get it. I hated school when I was there. School was a bit of a miserable experience for me. As a teacher, I try to make sure that doesn't happen to other kids. I think that's part of why I ended up becoming a teacher, so I can make school enjoyable. But that's not the point of the video. All right, so the point of the video here is I want to talk about outlook and try to instill this in your children and try to instill this in yourself. And I am in no way perfect about this. I get upset about things I don't want to do, but you need to change the way you talk about things. And when you start changing the way that you talk about things, you'll change the way you think about things, then you'll change the way that kind of you interact with life. Great book, Hung by the Tongue. If you've never read it, I suggest checking it out. But right now, I had my summer break and I'm back to school, and I could be saying, oh, I got to go back to work today. How about instead, I've got to go back to work today, I get to go back to work today. I'm still alive, I'm still breathing, I have a job. It's a good job. I make decent money, I get time off to spend with my kids. It's a good thing. How about instead of, oh, I have to go back to school today, I get to go to school today. And I know here in the United States, most kids look at school as almost a punishment, which is really sad. Other parts of the world, they want to go to school. They look at things a completely different way. I remember I was talking to a guy one day, and he was telling me he taught summer school, I think it's in like Austria or something like that, just some thing he decided to do one time, just he thought it'd be crazy. And he was like, do you know who takes summer school there? He's like, the people who work the hardest. It's not a punishment because you failed a class. It's I want to learn more. So people try to get into summer school. They have a whole different outlook on life. They're still going to school just like we do here. They just look at it differently. They look at it as an opportunity, not as a nuisance. Try to do that with things like work. Try to do that with school. If you have a kid who doesn't want to go to school, I know this sounds great. No, you get to go to school. Mean it. All right? If you don't mean it, you get to go to school, we really need to reevaluate this education system, which, don't get me wrong, we do. But if it's to the point where kids don't want to at least go a little bit to learn something, to interact with their peers, to have a positive experience, there's a big issue there. But just my little note for the day. So change your language. You do it enough, you'll start changing the way you think. You'll change your outlook on life. It won't be, oh, I have to do this. It's going to be, I get to do this. I'm still here. I'm enjoying life. I still get to do things. So my little thought for today, if you're starting school today, have a great first day.